In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make house music on Suno AI. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI on your browser and go down to create. Then from here, you need to select the instrumental part. You can also choose to make an entire song if you want to do that. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to make a simple beat. Then from here, you need to put in the prompts. And if you don't already have a couple prompts you can use, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description for you to check out. All of them are 100% free to use. So let's get into it. Let's write in a prompt. So we should make some house music, right? It should be, let's say, deep house. It should be relaxed, have some electric piano. Of course it should have some synth bass. It should be 440 times. And it should be around 110 to 120 beats per minute. And when you're done writing in your prompt, you can just click create down here. And then it will take a couple seconds to create 2 example beats that you can then listen to. And we are going to listen to how it's gonna sound like. If it doesn't sound like house music, you can just try another prompt or try the same prompt again and click create. But let's listen to it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!